Hello, it's Ashley here from Paper&Twine, and today we are going to make Polenta Almond and Lemon Cake. It is from the River Café cookbook. It's a very old cookbook now, a very old recipe, but lovely. What I've got here, I've got 6 eggs separated. We only need the yolks, so I'm going to get rid of the whites, but I'm going to keep them because we're going to make meringue. Waste not, want not. I've got 450 grams of ground almonds. I've got 450 grams of softened unsalted butter, 450 grams of castor sugar in the same bowl because we're going to cream those together in a minute. I've got 225 grams of polenta, and I'm just going to set the video going now and go through the process and speed things up. It's 55 minutes later now, and I've taken the cake out of the oven. You can see it has dipped a little bit. That is absolutely normal. It is starting to shrink away from the sides. I'm going to leave it to completely cool before I try and get it out of the tin. I will be keeping it on its base, and when it is completely cold, I shall cover it up with cling film, and tomorrow put it on a nice serving plate and dust it with some icing sugar. You don't need a lot. Obviously this cake isn't suitable for people with nut allergies, as it is made with ground almonds rather than flour. The polenta gives it a nice kind of gritty texture, and this is lovely served with fruits such as raspberries or strawberries or blueberries. I hope you've enjoyed this. Take care now. Bye.